Travel words, مفردات السفر. Today, we're going to learn useful traveling vocabulary in English and Arabic. اليوم سنتعلم مفردات مفيدة عن السفر بالإنجليزية والعربية. These words will help you on your next trip. هذه الكلمات ستساعدك في رحلتك القادمة. Picnic and tour. Journey or trip. Car. Road. Highway. Car breakdown. Garage. Mechanic. Gas station.
Attendant.
Car park.
Bus stop.
Taxistand. Fasten your seatbelt. Driver.
Railway station.
Train. Captain. Train conductor. Tickets collector. Passenger. Hotel. Map. Global Positioning System, GPS. Waterfalls. Forests and jungles. Mountains. Deserts. Fishing. Rod. Fishing line and lure. Net. Tackle box. Hook. Hookah. Cuban, e-cigars or box mod. Cigars and pipe. Summer resort or vacation spot.